Replacing old weather stripping on an exterior door is a low-budget home improvement project that can lower your utility bill. So in this video, we show you a simple way to fix a drafty door. The tools that you may need for this project are new weather stripping, measuring tape, scissors or a utility knife, a dry cloth or paintbrush, a scraper, and pliers. First, remove the old weather stripping. You may need to use pliers to pull it away from the frame. Visually inspect the frame and make sure it is clear of any debris before you start installing the new weather stripping. Measure the length of each side of the frame and cut the new weather stripping accordingly. Two common types of weather stripping are vinyl clad with a spline and self-adhesive foam. For vinyl clad weather stripping, once it is cut to the correct length, push the spline into the slot in the door jamb. You may need to use a dull putty knife to push it into place. If you're using the self-adhesive foam weather stripping, carefully remove the adhesive backing and firmly push the weather stripping onto the door jamb. To test if you have a tight seal, take a piece of paper and close it in the door. If there is resistance, then your seal is good. If you have any questions about this process, call First Rate Inspections at 832-567-5791.